Welcome to our YouTube video on real estate investment with no money. In this video, we will explore innovative strategies that allow you to invest in real estate even if you don't have any upfront capital. Can you invest in real estate without any money? The answer may surprise you. With the right approach and creativity, it is possible to get started in real estate investing even without a significant financial investment. In this video, we will share several strategies and techniques that can help you begin your real estate journey without having to put up any of your own money. Strategy 1. Identify undervalued properties. Research the market to find properties that are priced below their market value or are in need of renovation. Look for distressed properties, foreclosures, or properties that have been on the market for a long time. These properties may offer potential investment opportunities at a lower cost. Strategy 2. Networking and partnerships. Build connections with experienced real estate investors, professionals, and potential partners who have the resources you lack. Attend real estate meetups, join online forums, and actively engage in networking events to find potential partners or mentors who can provide the necessary capital or resources. Strategy 3. Negotiate and offer creative financing. Approach sellers with low-priced properties and negotiate creative financing options, such as seller financing or lease-to-own arrangements. Present your case to the seller, highlighting your willingness to work with their financial constraints and offering a mutually beneficial arrangement that requires a minimal upfront payment. Strategy 4. Participate in property auctions. Attend or participate in property auctions where you may find properties with low starting bids or minimal reserve prices. Set a maximum bid within your budget and be prepared to act quickly. Remember to thoroughly research the property beforehand to avoid unexpected expenses or issues. Strategy 5. Real estate crowdfunding. Leverage online crowdfunding platforms that allow investors to pool their resources and invest in real estate projects collectively. Explore real estate crowdfunding platforms that offer low investment thresholds. Look for projects that align with your budget and investment goals. Strategy 6. Government housing schemes. Research government-sponsored housing schemes or affordable housing programs that offer properties at subsidized rates or with flexible financing options. Check the eligibility criteria and application process for these schemes. Understand the terms and conditions, and take advantage of any available opportunities. Strategy 7. Networking and partnerships. Build relationships with real estate professionals, investors, or developers who may offer opportunities to invest with a small initial contribution. Attend industry events, join real estate forums, and connect with like-minded individuals who can guide you towards low-cost investment opportunities. Strategy 8. Micro-investing platforms. Explore micro-investing platforms or apps that allow you to invest small amounts of money in real estate projects. Sign up for a reputable micro-investing platform and start investing small amounts of money into fractional ownership of real estate properties. Strategy 9. Distressed property investment. Look for distressed properties that require minimal investment for repairs or renovations. With proper research and planning, you can purchase distressed properties at a low cost, make necessary improvements, and sell them for a profit. Strategy 10. Trade skills or services. If you have a particular skill set or expertise related to real estate, offer your services in exchange for a share in the property or a reduced purchase price. For example, if you are skilled in construction or design, offer your services to property owners in exchange for a stake in the property or a discounted purchase price. Strategy 11. Rent-to-own or lease options. Look for rent-to-own or lease option opportunities where you can gradually build equity in a property over time. Negotiate favorable terms with property owners, such as a portion of the rent going towards the future purchase of the property, allowing you to acquire the property with minimal upfront costs. In conclusion, while it may seem challenging, buying property with just Rs. 400 is possible with creative strategies and a willingness to explore alternative investment methods. Remember, real estate investment is a powerful wealth-building tool, and with determination and creativity, you can make significant progress towards your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching our video. We wish you success in your real estate journey.